Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Poshmark. I also I'm so used to saying I have an antique booth. I just moved out of my antique booth. So if you saw my previous video, you know that I just moved into a brand new office and I'm still in the process of getting everything situated. So I'm going to give you a small tour of where I'm at. It's still very hectic. It's still very messy. And I debated showing this, but this is real, right? It's a process. It's a learning process. It's growth. And it's not easy, it's not perfect, but I just want to be as transparent as possible and show you guys that journey and that part of the process. You know, it's not easy. So everything's a little messy right now. And I'm the type of person that everything needs to be in order for me to start working. So I haven't really been doing a lot of work as far as listing. You know, I'm just trying to put my inventory away in my new system. I have a huge death pile now because I haven't been listing. So everything that I've been sourcing in the past weeks has just been accumulating in different IKEA bags in different corners. I have like piles that need to be washed, cleaned. Like I started throwing everything on my rack just to get things off of the floor, but now I feel like I need to organize that. So yeah, things are kind of a mess, but I'm not going to stress myself out. So the great part about this office is that my first month's rent is technically not even due until August 1st. So I'm giving myself the time to take my time and organize this space and, you know, make it a welcoming space that I'm eager to work out of and come to every day or every other day or as often as I can. So I'm giving myself till the end of June to just take my time and organize it. I have a new garment rack coming in this week. I also have my photo backdrop coming in this week. So once I get that situated by the end of the week, I should be up and ready to, my goal is to hit the floor running and start working out of this space on the 1st of July and then just work hard the entire month. And let's just see how much I can make. And yeah, keep working hard to obviously make my rent on the 1st of August. So yeah, that's where I'm at and I'm just super excited. Again, I'm not trying to stress myself out, even though I'm that type of person that stresses myself out over nothing. But let me show you around. And if this is your first time clicking on this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I hope you watch it all the way through. Hit like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and stay tuned. Okay, so once you walk in on this wall, I have my inventory system that is still, you know, in the process. I got these shelf racks from Home Depot. And yeah, I opted for banker's boxes. These are actually the legal size. So they're obviously a little bigger than regular file boxes. I was gonna get the clear bins, but they were pretty expensive. They're about $9 a piece. So it was gonna be a lot more expensive than just ordering a 12-pack of banker's boxes. And these were $50 for 12. So I just opted to get those. And I'm actually gonna use clear bins at the bottom, the four here, 2 here and 2 here, once I move that inventory out. And up top, I'm just gonna keep my mannequins and hats and things like that. I don't want something too bulky up top. And then have a lot of things, like all of this needs to be washed. Some of this stuff I'm giving away. This needs to be washed. And here up against this wall is my garment rack. So on my garment racks, I just want to hang vintage. More delicate vintage, obviously, like dresses, but like some things can be folded away, but like all of this needs to be photographed. So that's my rack. I have a new rack coming in, so I'm gonna be able to organize more and then get more of this stuff off the floor. I have another IKEA bag of vintage over here. This is just extra hangers. I have another bag here, my mannequin. This is my pull up size mannequin. I have another mannequin that I have to bring from home. Up against this wall is gonna be my photo backdrop, so I'm gonna alternate between pink and white, and this is where I'll take all my images. I have to bring in my studio lights also. And then up against this wall, hold on. And up against this wall, again, a lot of this stuff needs to be moved out. Like, this is just stuff that I'm gonna donate. I'm giving some stuff away to friends, but once this wall is cleaned up, I'm gonna put a little table up against here. I'm not gonna buy a desk because it's just, I've been spending too much and I need to like stop spending and start recuperating my investment. So I'm gonna use my little folding table as a desk, and it's just gonna be more practical anyway because I can just fold it up and move it to a corner when we're doing photo shoots or something on this wall. So right now I just have this little bench that I'm sitting on when I need to sit down, this little stool, I'm sorry. But what I do want to invest in is a nice comfortable office chair, or I've actually found a few on the side of the road, but I'm kind of like weirded out because I don't know, like I feel like chairs, cushions, things like that, like bed bugs and things carry over, and I don't really want to bring that into the office, like, so I don't know. And then this corner is just like boxes and random stuff that also need to be cleaned up. So I have some advice to ask from you. So my only advice would be, how do you keep your office smelling clean and not, you know, that thrift store smell, that vintage smell? You know, I do steam all my items. I need to bring my steamer as well, but you know, that lingering like smell. So I don't want to just bring in Febreze and like air fresheners because I feel like that odor is gonna rub off on the clothes. So like, what do you use to keep your office smelling fresh? Yeah, if you have any tips for me. I was thinking like cedar wood hangers or like cedar chips, but I got these like air refresheners, but I don't like how they smell. They actually smell like fragrance and they're supposed to be all natural, but anyway. So yeah, and just like tips you have for me for your office. How do you make your office inviting? How to stay motivated, I guess. So that was today's video. I'm sorry if it was a bit unorganized. It's just where I'm at right now. I'm really unorganized, but it's exciting. I feel like by the end of this week, once my garment rack comes in, once my backdrop comes in, I'm gonna be ready to work by next week. So stay tuned for next week's video, another update about how my move-in process is going. And let me know if you have any questions, if there are any things that you would like to know about my office or getting an office, etc. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.